Hello, everyone. I'm going to take you through this slide set, which is entitled How to Start, Grow, and Monetize a YouTube Channel Guided by AI. So, this is ours, right? Our new YouTube channel that you're watching right now called Guided by AI, but you could apply it to like, do you want to start, grow, and monetize a YouTube channel? Okay, a strategic roadmap for building a successful AI-assisted YouTube channel presented by channel host. In this case, it's me, right? And produced by the channel owner, in our case, David Prorock. The channel concept, perfect partnership. Cool. I like our little trio, me, my business partner, and David. What makes Guided by AI unique? What makes our channel unique? A groundbreaking YouTube channel that showcases the power of human creativity enhanced by artificial intelligence. What makes us unique? We are showcasing the power of human creativity, which hopefully I'm adding and we're adding, enhanced by AI. This is really interesting to me to like live with you guys see, does this work? How does it work? It's exciting. The channel host, in our case, me, brings dynamic presentation skills, hopefully, while the channel owner, in our case, David, drives production with cutting edge AI tools. Cool. This hybrid approach delivers content that's both technologically innovative and authentically human, creating a channel that educates, entertains, and inspires viewers to explore AI-assisted content creation. Okay, so it's a hybrid approach. It's both cool tech-wise, AI-wise, and cool by being authentically human, by being authentic, right? That's really important to me, to be authentic. And therefore, we get a channel that educates. You know, if you want to either engage some of the ideas that we're going to talk about or this AI stuff or like build your own YouTube channel, entertains and inspires, I hope, viewers to explore AI assisted content creation. Okay. Content production workflow. Step one, pre-production. Topic research and selection based on trending AI topics and audience requests. Ooh, I can't wait till we get a request. Maybe you can be the first one. The channel owner, in our case, David Prorock, creates comprehensive Gamma slide decks. So that's these slides that we're paging through here, and Gamma is just an app, I guess, that we use to show these slides. I don't know. I just understand that I can log into Gamma and easily click on this and go through it with you. So therefore you can too, because I'm kind of a technophobe. So it's kind of interesting that I'm doing a project like this. I think it makes it extra cool. Like, does this AI assisted stuff work for somebody who's kind of a technophobe and kind of, I don't know about AI, right? Kind of an attitude. Um, yeah, so far, yes. Yes, it's working and it's interesting to me. So come along for the journey. Okay, I'll stay on topic here. The channel owner creates comprehensive Gamma slide decks with AI generated visuals and key talking points. Like, whoa, can you just all of a sudden have so much done so fast with AI that it will just blow your mind? It's crazy. Um, I really like the portion where you then review it with your full humanness. Like, does it make sense though? You know, like I like that. I like looking in depth. Okay, step two, recording. The channel host, in our case, me, records presentations using Zoom, which this is, but we're going to move to OBS. Records presentations using Zoom or OBS Studio. So right now my partner is tutoring me on OBS, which I guess is a little bit tougher to learn than Zoom. But how cool that it's pushing me to learn something new. And yeah, so stay tuned because within a couple weeks, I think we'll move if we can get me there to OBS. Professional lighting, clear audio, consistent backgrounds, established channel quality. So I'm excited to get better with those. And hey, do you like my wall hangings that I love, but maybe other people don't? Let me know. Multiple takes ensure the best delivery. So I actually like to use the first take because it's fresh, right? Like I'm reading it for the first time with you and it seems fresh. But I did have to, this is my second take because I forgot to share screen. So all you would have seen is me talking and you wouldn't have seen the slides. Seems to be a mistake I make fairly regularly. Step 3, post-production. The channel host, me, handles editing, adding animations, sound effects, and engaging graphics. I'm not doing any of this. My partner is. So, I mean, you can make it work for you, right? Like, do you want to do that too? Or do you want to just be the presenter and have somebody else do that? Ask someone else to. Final videos include consistent intro, outro sequences. Please give input there too. I'm like, hey, am I supposed to be doing an intro, an outro? Like, in the beginning? Like, mm. Yeah, we're figuring it out on the fly with you, which is, I think, really fun and kind of a thing in this day and age, right? Like transparency. Okay. Final videos include consistent intro, outro sequences, calls to action. Calls to action, I believe, is like, hey, we've got coaching programs. Hey, we've got this, we've got that. I think that's what that is. So we can learn about business stuff here too together. How about? Because like final videos include consistent intro, outro, calls to action, and proper SEO optimization. I forget what SEO even is. So don't be afraid. Like, come and learn with me, right? Like, that's okay. We'll learn together. This streamlined workflow balances efficiency with quality, allowing for consistent content delivery while maintaining high production standards. Cool. Yes, I love it so far. Oop. Posting, I'm not even listening to anything and I have earbuds in. Posting schedule and content calendar. Primary content, Saturday mornings. Weekly flagship videos published consistently every Saturday at 9 a.m. Eastern when viewer engagement is highest. Cool, I didn't know that, did you? That's when viewer engagement is highest? These 10 to 15-minute videos form the channel's core content strategy. Okay. Bonus content Wednesday evenings, optional midweek shorter videos, 5 to 7 minutes I might go over for quick tips, news updates, or audience Q&A sessions. Please, this sounds fun. I really want to engage with people. These maintain engagement between primary uploads and respond to trending topics. Interesting. I don't know what's trending. A content calendar planned 4 to 6 weeks in advance ensures consistent posting while allowing flexibility to incorporate trending AI developments. Okay. So if you're starting a YouTube channel and you've been sort of like me, like all over the place, wow, can you learn from this presentation, right? Like, let's do it consistently. Let's have consistent background and lighting and schedule and a plan and, and yet it came together super fast. So like, it wasn't hard, per se, at least for me. I have two partners, so working on this. Okay, channel ownership and responsibilities. So who owns it? In our case, it's David Prorock. He's so cool. And He has legal ownership of the YouTube channel and its assets. He is responsible for the strategic direction and business development of this channel. Also responsible for content planning and gamma slide creation. I love it. I just get to log in and read it and present it. It's so fun. So which person do you want to be? Where are your strengths, right? He is responsible for the analytics tracking and performance optimization. Okay, and also for monetization strategy implementation. Okay, because we're having fun, right? And I want genuinely to connect with you. And also, everybody's like, we need to make money, right? Okay, fair enough. What about the channel host? So in our case, that's me. Um, The channel host is the on-camera talent, woohoo, and voice of the channel. How fun. What a delight. It really is fun. So, okay. Channel host is responsible for content delivery and presentation, also for contribution to content ideas and direction, also responsible to edit videos and do post-production. So like in my case, I'm not doing that. My partner is, which is fabulous for me. Maybe you would be doing all of that, so that's up to you. Channel host is responsible for community engagement and comments. Yes, I want to do this. Please engage. I just want to talk to people. I spent a lot of my life very isolated, very introverted, even like severe social anxiety. And I've turned a corner, right? Where I'm like, wait a minute, like I want to talk to you all and I do like people and because I've overcome my own stuff, right? And I don't want to go over into that. But I'm just saying, yes, please engage. I would love to connect with anyone. Okay. The channel host is responsible for potential participation in live events. That sounds fun. I don't know what that would be, but you never know. It starts to be very exciting, like things could just pop up. Okay. Channel host is responsible for cross promotion on personal platforms. Okay, good to know. I did post like, hey, we got a new channel on our, Instagram. I can do more of that. So for sure. Spread the word. This clear division of responsibilities leverages each partner's strengths while maintaining a cohesive channel identity. So yeah, I'm watching this happen with there are three of us involved, and it is great because each person has strengths that they bring to the table, and you can see, who's responsible for what, and then it all comes together. So it's beautiful, kind of. Ooh, building the guided by AI brand. Visual identity. A consistent color palette, serene logo, and inviting thumbnails that convey tranquility and inspiration. I love this image. Custom channel banner and profile picture designed to communicate a sense of peace and personal growth. Wonderful. Voice and tone. A gentle, encouraging, and guiding tone that makes uplifting personal development topics accessible. Yeah, an inspiring yet credible presentation style, positioning the channel as a source of peace, insight, and practical growth. Yay. Content pillars. Three core content categories. AI-guided mindfulness practices, self-love, and well-being journeys, and personal growth insights. Each video clearly aligns with one of these pillars. Sounds good to me. Growth strategy, building an audience, targeted SEO and keywords, Research and integrate high-performing keywords related to AI content creation. Okay. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags to maximize discoverability on both YouTube and Google searches. Wonderful. So yeah, I encourage you guys, if you're building a channel and you're somebody like me who's not super techy, um, partner with people, network, and fall into the right partnerships, right? To again utilize everybody's strengths. Cross-platform promotion. Share content across LinkedIn, Twitter, and relevant AI communities. So those would be new to me. I haven't really engaged with LinkedIn or Twitter. Create platform-specific promotional clips to drive traffic back to full YouTube videos. That sounds fun. Strategic collaborations. Partner with complementary creators in the AI space for guest appearances and cross promotion. This sounds really fun. I can't believe how into like networking and people and collaboration I am at the moment because I've been such a like solo kind of person in my past, but this just sounds delightful. Like I'm just ready for it, right? Participate in relevant podcasts and online events to expand reach. Yeah, fun. Active community building through consistent engagement with comments. I can't wait for comments. Like, I just want to engage with you guys. Creating a Discord server. Somebody mentioned Discord to me the other day, and I didn't even know what it was. So that will be like, this is great. It's pushing me to learn more stuff. And hosting occasional live Q&A sessions will foster a loyal audience based a loyal audience base. So this sounds really fun to host live Q&A sessions. Heck yes. Monetization plan, revenue streams. Like, how do you make money? You want to make money doing a YouTube channel? How do you do that? What's the plan? Phase 1, YouTube partner program. Reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for AdSense revenue. Optimize ad placement and video length for maximum monetization potential. Okay. Phase 2, premium products. Launch digital products, web apps, coaching packages, and consultation services. Develop membership program with exclusive content and early access to new videos. Awesome. Yeah, I've always thought membership, creating a community would be wonderful. Phase 3, brand sponsorships. Develop partnerships with AI tools, productivity software, and educational platforms. Okay, partnering with AI tools, productivity software, educational platforms. Create dedicated sponsored segments that provide genuine value to viewers. Okay. All right. Yeah, I could get into that. Next steps, launching, guided by AI or whatever your channel is. Okay, we're just being transparent, which is cool. 1, create 3 to 5 pilot videos. Produce a small batch of diverse videos that showcase different content styles and topics. Use these to refine the production workflow and establish the channel's voice before public launch. Well, we've already launched, but that's my style. Let's just do it. Learn as we go. Let's learn together. Okay, 2, develop brand assets. Design channel logo, banner, thumbnail templates, and intro-outro sequences. Create consistent visual identity across all channel elements and promotional materials. Okay, so watch this come together if you're starting out with us from the beginning. And number 3, plan 4-week launch campaign. Schedule first month of content with strategic topic progression. Prepare cross-platform promotion strategy with teasers and behind the scenes content to build anticipation. Ooh, sounds good. Number 4, set measurable goals. Establish specific 30, 60, 90-day targets for subscribers, views, engagement, and content production. Create tracking system to monitor progress and make data-driven adjustments. I love it. Again, do this in partnership with people, unless you happen to have all the skills yourself. Ready to get guided by AI? Let's create something extraordinary together. Heck yeah. Join the Guided by AI community. Like this video, please. Show your support. Help us reach more people eager for AI guided personal growth insights. It's really interesting to blend these things. They're not mutually exclusive. It's not one or the other. It's not human authenticity, being authentic, being creative, being spiritual, or AI. They can go together. This is what's interesting to me. Subscribe to the channel, never miss a new video, join our growing community, receive weekly inspiration directly in your feed. Please subscribe and share with your network. Help us spread the word about Guided by AI and empower others to embark on their journey of self-discovery and maybe their learning about AI. I mean, it's a part of our world right now. Okay, that's the last slide. And thank you for listening. Please engage. I will respond and have a wonderful day. Love you all.